Okay, so I've been reading so much, but not so much, just so much at one time. And I just want to talk to y'all about it. So I finished the first Shatter Me of this series. That was on audiobook. My library has all the audiobooks, so I'll just keep it on there. It was amazing. After I finished 1984, my love for dystopian has arrived. But it was really, really good. And I heard the series gets better after book 3. So I'm just like so excited. And then I'm also reading Tomorrow and Tomorrow and Tomorrow, but I'm not very far. And then the Jeanette McCurdy book, I'm Glad My Mom Died. That is so good. I'm hooked. I'm on chapter 25. It's really fast. Like the chapters are super short. And then I'm reading one other book. I can't remember the name right now. But yeah, so I just feel like all I want to do is read. I don't want to do anything else. So I'm about to go back to reading. Let me know what y'all are reading and if you have any good thrillers for Halloween.